What if I'll tell you, you could get near Claude 3.5 performance, insane coding, speed, and deep reasoning absolutely for free, $0. Most of the peoples are stuck paying $20 a month for a single subscription. But today I'm showing you the ultimate AI cheat code using DeepSeek latest Flash model through OpenRouter. Whether you are a developer, a student, or just a AI enthusiastic, this setup is going to change your flow. So let's dive in. Hi, this is Swarna, and welcome to my channel and one more AI powered session for you. So, DeepSeek version 4, it is not an official release yet, but current Powerhouse model are DeepSeek version 2.5 and a coder series. So we in this series we are going to check the performance and the comparison between various models, indexing agent, and all these, and how fast it is, and the fastest flash style DeepSeek model now available for few token series along with OpenRouter. So let's dive into. So those who are into my channel new, let me give you an overview. What is OpenRouter? You can see OpenRouter as a app store of AI. Instead of having 10 different subscription for OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or DeepSeek, OpenRouter gives you one single API gateway to access all of them. And best part, the host has a variety of completely free models. And right now, DeepSeek has released an incredible optimized flash model of their model series, and which are the blazing fast and many cases free by OpenRouter. So let's dive into and check step by step setup. So let us go to, so first what you can do, navigate to OpenRouter and create a free account and head over to the models tab, and in that search DeepSeek, and from there copy that and look for the model free session. And let me quickly show you that. And there you don't need any kind of what you called you don't need any subscription or anything. You see here I have already copied, and this setup settings.local just JSON, it is a what you called um, previous sessions are there. It is a continuous sessions. We have tried many models for best models here, and DeepSeek is one of the model. Why I choose, I'll show you the performance benchmarks, everything will dissect. But let's first step by step setup we do. So just copy this model API auth token and paste it here. It takes 4 parameters: base URL, auth token, and API key and model. So you can see here on top, base URL, http openrouter.ai API, then token you copy paste from there. If you need, don't copy mine because it will be deleted immediately after the demo. So you can use your login with your free account. And one security tip, don't use your account or Gmail account which you are primarily using for your bank accounts or your demat accounts, trading accounts. Don't use that. Create a free account and come here where it is not related to your any of the accounts, and break the series, because AI always, whenever you give something, it remembers. You never know what in your context. So though we are locally, it is developing, better you somewhere break the chain by giving some of the different names of your, and don't give date of birth which is real and use in banking or in your other security reasons. Okay. So now here create a account, come here, copy that token and paste it here. Then how can you take and copy that DeepSeek model and flashback before plus free? This is not officially released date, but it has given in for free for few token and for usability. So once you do that, then come here, configuration done, then write Claude. because this session we are going to check the powerful model of Claude with DeepSeek. So this is, yeah, if you see, it has been done. And as I said, this is a continuation version of so let's see if it is this LLM is working fine. What is date? Today's date we'll ask. So get a API key, new key. This is DeepSeek and credit limit. You don't need to put anything here, and I can give it for 7 days because next it should be expired. So let us take 1 day. Okay, and create it here. So you can copy this, head over to so then clear, then go here, then Claude. So now it is connected. Let's see, hi, what is today's date? 58.7B and April 24, 26, it is being released. It is recent release. So, and if you see here, it is a efficiently optimized mixture of export models and DeepSeek with 284 billion B total parameters, and while running, it is 13B activated parameter. So previously, if you see NVIDIA Super VFD, that was whenever active parameter was 12B. So using 1M token window. So 1M means 1 million token. It is faster. So it is designed for fast interference and high throughput workload and maintaining strong reasoning and coding performance. This model include hybrid attention for the efficient long context. As I can see, I said it is 1 million context parameter. So efficiency, long context processing. So if your context window is very high, hallucination will be less. And you can give all the prior documentations, coding details, project details, and it can accumulate and it can better processing. If you have a preview of something is you know AI model knows, then it will process accordingly. No hallucination will happen. And reasoning effort is very high, xi are supported. So maps to maximum reasoning. It is a well-suited application such as coding assistant, chat systems, agentic flows, and which is most important, coding assistant, chat systems, and agentic workflow, which is, I guess, that is most wonderful part, and we are dissecting those things. And what is the DeepSeek versus Claude? So you might be wondering, why use DeepSeek if I already use Claude? This is the reality. Here, so Claude 3.5 Sonnet is arguably the king of nuance and coding, but it has a strict message limit. Once you hit the wall, you are stuck. But DeepSeek, especially the Flash version, is designed for speed and efficiency. Strategy: I use Claude for heavy architectural lifting like big brain stuffs. Then I switched to DeepSeek on the OpenRouter for iterative work, debugging, writing boilerplate code, and summarizing the long documents. It's like a senior architect Claude can work as, and lightning fast junior dev DeepSeek works for you on the same time. So let's check some of the comparisons for that. So pricing, you can see it is 0, and overview this is, and if you see here, throughput 42 tokens average per seconds, and if you see here, latency is 3.95 and E2 is 15.32 seconds, and here total call rate is 4.16. And now let's just go to providers. How many providers it is there? Let's see. And no information. Performance, we can see here. This one we have already seen. And yeah, these DeepSeek other models you can refer here. DeepSeek V4 Pro, DeepSeek V4 Flash, and DeepSeek V Plus V4 Flash, and V3.2 especially. Okay, super. So pricing we know that is $0 it is coming, but it has higher models having respective models. You can check it on the his official site, and this one of the free models to check it out. And here benchmarks will go, which is most important for us. Ranking distribution, if you see, it is on 39, first one 306, and this is something more higher things. And this is, if you see, model arena, 3D1291, and it is 51.3 win. And top website, so gaming development we can use, coding we can use, website performance is also, it is in green, top 22%. And yeah, so let's see. So these are the models which is most impressed me out. If you see top public apps this month, apps using DeepSeek Flash 4. This is most important because this model give us a benchmark. These are the models which are using background back basis DeepSeek Flash. Kilo code, if you see, I just over will just doing whole over. Kilo code is a open source AI coding agent that works across Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, CLI to help developers to see code faster. And other one is various models are being used is Kilo Code, Hums Agent, OpenClaw also using, and Generator. Generator is used for the, it is open source and it is used for the like creative works. OpenClaw, you might have aware of that. It is one time it was storm because it, if you give access to it, it is automatically doing all your works. If you see, it is an open source as well agent and connects to your messaging app, takes real action. It takes the real action. So whenever OpenClaw comes into picture, please don't use your own wherever you all setups. Experiment in a separate device altogether because it is highly powerful and it takes over everything and use like human being kind of on behalf of you. It takes all the actions. It will not ask your permission if explicitly, if you not define it. So while experimenting, because you can land into some of the pros and cons, use it separately. Likewise, clean also um, uh, one of the open source AI coding inside your IDE autonomously expiring your code base, editing files, running terminal commands using browser automation. Super. This is gives a boost your confidence. We can go ahead and use it. Okay. And recent activities, if we see here, 16 billion. So people are constantly using it, which gives us a more confidence level to use it out. And here prompting, if you see my right side, prompt is 3.53 billion. Reasoning people are using 46.3. Completion is 39.9 million. And here it is API also key there. Sample code and API key for DeepSeek free. You can straightforward come here, copy it out and use it. And here, if you want to use this in OpenRouter, if you see three different OpenAI SDK is given, raw is also there, And you can, if you are a developer, straightforward copy this, import it into your OpenRouter SDK, and you can try it out. And likewise, if you are using OpenAI SDK and you want to try it through OpenRouter, straightforward copy it and try it out. They have already given copy option and you can try it out if you're really working. And using is there TypeScript, if you are doing a call command also there, you can use it out. And yes, one of the best model I can see wherever context window it is there, and weekly token also they are providing billions, 58.7 billions, all looks good for us. And this AI landscape is moving faster. Based model change every week. By using OpenAI router, you aren't logged into any one ecosystem. You can jump from one cloud to DeepSeek to Llama in one click. If you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI workflows, and save your time and money. I have put this link in the OpenRouter and DeepSeek documentation in description below. And now go out there and start building. I'll see you in the next one. This is Swana signing off tonight. Thank you.